The named selection feature allows you to create named selections that can be transferred to the ANSYS mechanical application or used in the creation of some features. You can select any combination of 3D entities, including point feature points. Selections are performed through an apply cancel property called geometry in the detailed view of ANSYS Design Modeler. An additional property called propagate selection will allow you to track the entities even after modeling operation. This property is set to yes by default. The geometry property shown an updated entity count after the modeling operations. Kindly like and subscribe to Master CFD channel and tap the bell to get new video updates. The attribute feature allows you to associate names values that can be tied to selection groups and transferred to the ANSYS mechanical application. You can select any combination of 3D edges, faces, bodies, and vertices. Selections are performed through an apply cancel property called geometry in the details view in modeling mode of ANSYS Design Modeler. Unlike feature names, which have numerous restrictions on what characters are allowed, the attribute name property is much less restrictive. To benefit from Master CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mastercfd.com and contact us via info@mastercfd.com.